Hey guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you why your WordPress website is not showing in Google search. So if you're interested, start tutorial. So in this case, you might be wondering why your WordPress website here is not showing on Google searches. Well, in this case, there is something that you could try doing here. So in this case, what you need to do is you want to go to plugins, and what you need to do is you want to go ahead and install a very specific plugin here. So in this case, let's go ahead and add a plugin here. So let's go and look for, but yeah, in this case, you want to go hover over plugins and just click on the add new plugin. Now from here, we need to add a very specific one. So just go to search plugins and just type in all-in-one SEO. Just press enter. Now the great thing about this app here, it will actually guide you on basically adding or basically managing your SEO, which in this case is going to click on install now. And once it's actually installed, we just need to activate it. So this may take a while, so just wait for it. See installed, click on activate. Well, once it's activated, what we need to do is you want to go and click on install plugins to view our all-in-one SEO here. But yeah, you should be able to see the all-in-one SEO here at the left side. You can go and access that. Now, in this case, you have your dashboard here. It's going to give you 7 steps here to set up your SEO, which in this case, it should allow you to be connected or allow your website to be seen in Google search. So you could go ahead and click on improve SEO ranking, or you can go and click on the appropriate buttons here. From here, it's going to give you the onboarding wizard here, which is the case it's going to ask you a bunch of things like the home page title here, tagline, and the home page meta description. So you're going to go ahead and start adding those. Now you could also add some additional site information here, like for example, your organization name, organization description, phone number, logo here, and your default social share image if you want to upload those. Now if you also have like social profiles here, like Facebook, Twitter, or X, or Instagram, or TikTok here, you go and provide those. And also, it's going to ask you which SEO features you want to enable here. So you could go ahead and enable or disable a few things. So you could add like analytics, image SEO, but this is for pro users. So you could go ahead and do that, allow certain things here, especially if you have the pro plan. Now, on the next page is going to give you the search appearance of what your website would actually look like. So in this case, if you want to put this under construction, you can go ahead and do that. Or if you want to add this to as a live site, you could go and choose live site. And you can go and enable a few things like do you have multiple authors, redirect attachment pages, or enable email reports. Go ahead and do those. And also if you want to enable sitemaps, you could go ahead and do that. But for now, let's go ahead and click on save and continue. And in here, it's going to set up the site analyzer here. You could go and add your email address. And also if you want to help like SEO for better for everyone, you could go and count you in for this one. But let's go and click on the save and continue here. Or if you want to skip this, you can go and skip this step. It's going to say connect to Google Search Console. So you can go and click on connect to Google Search Console in order for your website to be seen in Google searches. So in this case, just log in into your account here. Now it's going to ask you a bunch of permissions here. So in this case, just allow all the permissions that you can basically allow here. Now from here, it's going to say or give you the connect Google Search Console to your website. From here, you can go and click on complete connection. Also, I need to agree a few things here. So if you want to read further into that, you can go ahead. But for now, let's go and click on complete connections. But yeah, so if you have like an, in this case, license key that you want to use, you could go and enter license key here, but you could go and skip this step here. But in this case, your site is now SEO ready. But yeah, in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lineup. Thank you for watching.